How to show your temperature on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that your Snapchat application is updated to its latest version to avoid any sort of glitches. So just go to your search bar on the Play Store and search for Snapchat. Now as you can see, it is updated in my device and I don't have any update option available, so I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me directly to the Snapchat application. But before that, I'm just going to go to the settings of the device and then I'm going to scroll down and get the option of apps, then tap on manage apps. Now you need to search for Snapchat application over here. You can just type in the search bar or you can just scroll down. So I'm just going to scroll down and find the application of Snapchat. After tapping on that, go to the app permissions and make sure that your location is allowed over here and it is given that access. You can just mention that, allow all the time. Now go back. Now we're going to go to the Snapchat application. I'm going to click a picture randomly right now. Just click on it. And after clicking a picture, you can have this different options popping at the right of the screen. So just tap on the third option available over here. So just tap on that. And here you can see the temperature over here. So just tap on that. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.